again.
A niche is a specialty of some sort. For example, we have general medical practitioners, and we have people that specializes in different aspects of medicine, such as a gynecologist, a cardiologist. They specialize in one form of medicine or the other. The same goes for content writing. You can be a general writer. You can write for fitness niche or industry today. You can write for educational niche tomorrow. You can write for e-commerce niche. You can write for technology niche. You can write for Saas, software as a service niche, and whatever comes your way as a writer. But if you want to make money in content writing, you have to specialize. You have to choose a particular industry to work with. For instance, I work in the digital marketing niche, and I also work in the Saas niche, software as a service. I work under those two niches. So on my profile, or on my LinkedIn profile, I describe myself as a Saas writer. I write for Saas and digital marketing niche. And in choosing this niche, you have to look into the topic that you are good in, or that you would like to write about. For instance, if you are an accountant, you can write in the financial sector. You will naturally flow into it when you are writing topics on finances. It will be part of you. You just need minimal research to come up with good content. Also, if you are into medical niche, you can write for the medical industry. You can, if you are a nurse, you can write to the medical industry, and so forth, and so on and so forth, like that. If you like exercises, fitness, you can write in that sector. So to be able to make, and then people that specializes in niches, they are able to make more money than people that are into general kind of writing. So you make more money because it's not everybody that can write for the Saas niche. It's not everybody that can work in the digital marketing niche. So you have to you attract more income when you work in when you specialize in one form of content writing or the other. And another form of specialization is you can decide to write blog posts for websites. You can decide to write video scripts. You can decide to write social media blog posts, Twitter, and so on and so forth, like that. You can specialize in creating long form content. Different aspects of there are different aspects of writing that you can specialize in. You can be a copywriter also if you don't want to work in a content writing side of things. So there are several ways you can work as a content writing. So it is good for you to have a kind of a niche, a specialty of some sort. Sit down and come up with the industries you want to write for. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section below, and I'll respond to it appropriately. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you need to do that so that you can learn more about how to make money online in 2023. You need side hustles to be able to augment your income, and also help you to be able to meet up with your financial obligations. Thank you for watching.